धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ॐ गेट रेडी फॉर प्रेयर। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। स्टैनिटीज, अटेंशन, स्टैनिटीज।
आज का सुविचार है, वक्त से हारा या जीता नहीं जाता बल्कि सीखा जाता है। मैं अपना विचार दोबारा दोहराती हूँ, वक्त से हारा या जीता नहीं जाता बल्कि सीखा जाता है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines. International news. USA becomes 101st member country of International Solar Alliance. National news. Cabinet approves to observe November 15 as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Sports news. Novak Djokovic won 37th Masters title at Paris 2021. Weather report. Maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 15 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Children are not things to be molded, but are people to be unfolded. A very warm and lovely welcome to the august gathering present here. I, Garima Sikri, would like to extend my warmest greetings to Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected in charges, scholarly teachers, and my lovely friends, and wishes you a very happy Children's Day. 14th November, a day to mark the birth anniversary of one of the most prominent leaders, our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. He is fondly called as Chacha Nehru by the children as he used to cherish their innocence and intelligence. During his regime, he advocated for children to have compulsory education and was very vocal about their rights. He believed in the ideology that children are the future of the nation, and so it is crucial to nurture and educate them properly. Every child is a different kind of flower, blossoming in this beautiful garden of the world. And of course, a rose never compares itself to hibiscus, although both are making you smile ear to ear. So do not compare yourself with anyone, as you, my child, are special. You just need to unfold yourself in order to find a diamond within you. Here, I would like to quote J.F. Kennedy, who said, "Children are the world's most valuable resources and the best hope for the future." Hence, I would like to invoke my little scientists, my little friends to step up, take the charge and fulfill your responsibility. Moreover, a parent or a guardian has an equal responsibility to ensure their success and contribution to the society. Therefore, every parent needs to have courage to be open and accept new ideas. On this Children's Day, let us remind ourselves of our duties towards our society. However, sometimes we get so caught up in life that we forgot that we do not always have to be busy. We don't always have to be checking our mails or rushing to the next things. We need to remind ourselves that it's okay and absolutely necessary to slow it all down, to take a break and enjoy nature, to turn off the TV and simply be together, to enjoy a game of cards, to enjoy our kids what they are wondering about, to call our parents, to watch the sunrise, to enjoy the smell of burning candles. We must never forget to enjoy the little things because they are never as little as we think. Thus, be a happy soul, as only then you can be able to spread happiness. Thank you.
Attention! Standardies, attention! Get ready for pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
I am proud
I am proud
of its rich and varied heritage.
of its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give
I shall give
my parents,
my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders respect
and all elders respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
I shall be kind to everyone.
I shall be kind to everyone.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Thank you. Standardies, attention. Standardies, attention. Get ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए सब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद.
Good morning, Princians. A very happy Children's Day to one and all present here. I know it's a very special day for all of you. When you get lots of gifts, pampering, lots of love from your parents, teachers and guardians. We teachers are also feeling incarcerated within this adult body, and thus your teachers took the time machine and guess what? They went back to their own childhood. And look, they were no different than you. So come on, let's find some sort of similarities between you and your teachers. Before moving forward, quickly tell me, who is the naughtiest child of your class? Yes, of course, the one who never submits homework on time, never maintains the decorum of the class, right? So here I am introducing Miss Priya as the naughtiest child. Who's the most disciplined one? Who submits everything on time, maintains the decorum of the class. So, here again Miss Priya as the discipline diva. what if you want to shake your leg and sparkle the evening of the annual function? Then comes the turn of dancing ballerina. But wait, who's the dancing ballerina? Will you choose a bad dancer or a good dancer? So let's check.
Good morning, students. Ready for the dance class? Okay, dear, stand up. Let's dance.
No, ma'am, I don't want to dance.
Why?
No, ma'am.
Get up, get up, get up.
Ma'am,
No, no excuses.
ma'am, that's it, ma'am. I don't this much.
Oops! No, I'm not going to choose this one. So let's see Miss Shivangi as a dancing ballerina of the house. Let's see what magic can she sparkle. What a beautiful performance, ma'am. Oops, I forgot. Our Hindi teacher asked me to send some names of the students who are good at Hindi recitation. Oh my god, whom should I pick? Let's see.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम अर्चना सिंह है और आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष कबीर जी द्वारा कुछ दोहे प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जो कुछ इस प्रकार है। गुरु गोविंद दोऊ खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ जैसे पेड़ खजूर, पंथी को छाया नहीं फल लागे अति दूर। धन्यवाद।
No, not at all. I'm not going to pick this one. Oh my god, when recitation radiance Miss Archana is here, then why to fear?
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम अर्चना सिंह है और आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष कबीर जी द्वारा रचित कुछ दोहे प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जो कुछ इस प्रकार है। गुरु गोविंदो खड़े काके लागो पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। कबीरा गोविंद दियो बताए। बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ जैसे पेड़ खजूर, पंथी को छाया नहीं फल लागे अति दूर। कबीरा फल लागे अति दूर।
What a melodious performance. By the way, who is the drama queen or king of your class? Do you know I'm the biggest drama queen of my house and I always tease my brother to buy me some chocolates even now. But shh, here we have some another drama queen. That is Miss Shikha.
Why are you late? But daily this is your reason. These are excuses. And where is your bag? Okay, stop smiling and sit down.
Oh my god, what a beautiful way to tease everyone. I'll surely use them. So now it's the time to identify the sleepyhead. the lazy person of your class. Let's see who's that. Okay, don't do exercise like her. Otherwise, you will definitely get a strain in your back. But don't be a couch potato. And now it's a time to identify the fitness freak of the class, similar to Miss Chilpi. Oof, I'm on my last leg. Now I want some mouth-watering and a delicious food. But I don't like to cook. So can you suggest some good cook from your class? Oh, yuck! I don't want this food to explode in my tummy. But wait, let's call our master chef, Miss Nivedita. So delicious. Oh no, I forgot. Today is the last day to submit my art project. But it takes me 1 day to even draw a fish. Now I am certainly going to die. Whom should I call? Let's see. After looking at this, my teacher's surely going to punish me. Oh yeah, but I can definitely ask Miss Ishita to help me as she does art by her heart. Ishita, for saving me. Hey everyone, do you know one of my friends was a fashionista of our class and she always used to look beautiful without any fail. So, who is the fashionista and the most studious person of your class? Let's identify it with Miss Jaspreet. Oh wow, what a beautiful representation of a studious and the fashionista of the class. So, students, have you identified some of your friends? We have just portrayed few categories. However, there are many more. But have you understood that every child is gifted with one or another quality? It may or may not be same in everyone. Maybe you are good in some or bad in another one. But this is what makes you special and makes you stand out of the crowd. So never be disheartened if you are unable to achieve anything. Rather, just try hard to introspect and understand yourself. If you are unable to fly higher, then maybe you will be able to swim deeper in the ocean. Thus, never underestimate yourself. Just remember, we all love you and will always be there for you. Thank you and a very happy Children's Day to everyone.